Welcome to the official Wholster YouTube channel. I'm Jared Sleeth, co-founder here at Wholster, and if you're looking for real estate wholesaling and investment-related content, you're in the right place. The Wholster app is a powerful tool for wholesalers to market their deals and for buyers to target those deals that meet their criteria. So in this channel, we want to show you how to use Wholster to save time in your business so that you have more time to work on your business. And to help you do that, we're going to be sharing videos on investment strategies, education and tools for growth. We'll be interviewing experienced investors on our podcast, and we'll keep you up to date on how to succeed in today's market. So whether you're new to real estate or a seasoned investor, subscribe to our channel now for new videos and podcast episodes. And download the Wholster app today to start leveraging the convenience of mobile technology in your business. So from all of us here at Wholster, thank you for subscribing and welcome to the community.